right, we got updates. So we got some converter down. Sorry, trying to hold the light so you can see it. We got some converter down on most of the floor, more than I actually wanted. We went up right to that, well, effectively where the front of the buckets go, and left it at that because we got all this work to do in there and over there. Colin's currently grinding those out and working on them pretty diligently. He has this metal mostly cleaned up, so I'm going to do a little bit of CAD work, you know, cardboard aided design, and figure out what we can do just to get that. Again, we're not doing a restoration. It's just enough to get us going. Oh, look at there. Colin's adding a little bit of Lucas. You know what they say, oil alone is not enough. Pretty sure it says it on there somewhere. Anyway, Colin got the new STP filter because we couldn't find a Wix. This AMC is going to be just fine with that though. It actually cleaned up a lot with the Marvel Mystery. We didn't have any problems with it smoking on the way over. No smoking out of the breather. So that was good. So this side is a little bit worse. We got some obstacles in the way. We have, as you can see, the parking brake cable, which is kind of useless anyway, but it's right along that seam. It's going to be a little bit harder to fit in. I'm going to try to cut, patch weld, and we got that giant hole up there. So we'll have to figure that one out. Beyond that, I think we'll wrap up today pretty quickly. Oh, here, Colin, hold that. I want to go to the trunk and show you. It looks fair. Colin brings me a light. So we did the converter on it. It's set up. It's not great. I wish I had some gloss white to put on it, but for our purposes, it's going to be great. It's going to stop that chemical reaction of the rust eating away, and no more oxidation is great for us. So we'll be able to load this up. We're probably going to put a sheet of sound deadening down on this as well to keep some of that noise away. And of course, we're going to put the sound deadening on this back kick panel here. Cover up our beautiful white paint right there where where the back seat would go, and of course on the floor underneath the seats. So we got some this mat that is roll-on that is going to not only prevent sound and absorb some of that, keep the car a little bit more comfortable to ride in, but it should keep some of that heat off of our butts. So that's your update for now. I'll come back after we get a little bit of our cardboard aided design going, our little CAD work going, and see what these turn out like. Anyway, that's your update. Heartline Homestead, out. Wait, look at that face.